Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Athletics first up, and Jamaica's World Under-20 100-meter hurdles champion Carica Hill is among 5 athletes nominated for the World Athletics 2022 Women's Rising Star Award. The award will recognize this year's best Under-20 athlete at the World Athletics Awards 2022. Hill clocked 12.77 seconds to win the 100-meter hurdles at the World Athletics Under-20 Championships in Cali, Colombia in August. Her winning time of 12.77 was a World Under-20 leading mark as well as a World Under-18 best. The 17-year-old Hill was also a member of Jamaica's gold medal winning 4x100-meter relay team at the championships, which set a new World Under-20 record of 42.59 seconds. Hill and her Jamaican teammates broke their own previous world record of 42.94 set in Nairobi, Kenya at the previous World Under-20 Championships in 2021. Now, Hill has been nominated alongside Kenyan distance runners Jacqueline Chepkochai and Faith Charocic, as well as South African shot putter Mine de Klerk and Serbia's javelin thrower Adriana Velagas. The winner of the 2022 Women's Rising Star Award will be selected by an international panel of experts and will be announced on World Athletics social media platforms in early December. Now, while its first staging since the COVID-19 pandemic, there was overwhelming support for the return of the ICII Jamaica Reach to Recovery annual Pink Run in Kingston on Sunday. With a 2-year hiatus, the 5-kilometer run walk attracted well over 6,000 participants with a target of $5 million Jamaican dollars.
The last time we had it in 2019, it was only a little over 5,000. So we were surprised.
Now, Jamaica Reach Recovery is the breast cancer support arm of the Jamaica Cancer Society, and President Caroline Graham believes that this event will help more people understand how common breast cancer is. Graham is also hoping for a change in the public health sector. Yvonne Osborne Fuller joined the Pink Run to support her sister who's suffering from breast cancer. And finally, in cricket, electing to bat, the Leeward Islands Hurricanes were 16 without loss after 4 overs against the Jamaica Scorpions in their regional Super 50 match. The Scorpions are contesting their opening match of the tournament, while the Hurricanes are hunting their second straight win. They beat the West Indies Academy team in the opening match of the tournament over the weekend. And that is Stumps for now, and I am Jermaine Brown. Shane, back to you.